guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform an old t-shirt into this beautiful off-shoulder crop top. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I'm gonna be wearing this when it's hot in Nairobi. And without any further ado, let me show you guys how to make it so that we can look cute together. To start off, I'm obviously gonna mark where I need my crop top to start. That way I'm not exposing my boobs or things that need not be seen. So initially I wanted this to be a no-sew project, but after trying the top on, it looked iffy, it looked funny, so I just decided to change things up. So that is why at first I cut the top at an angle, and then I switched things up after realizing this wasn't gonna work out. But yeah, sometimes you end up getting something better when one thing doesn't work out. That's you getting a life lesson, so you better subscribe. Anyway, I'm just marking the end of the crop top exactly where I want it to fall. If you don't want a really cropped top, obviously you could cut nothing. You could just leave it as is with the seams down below, but I just wanted this to be a crop top because I think it looks cuter that way. As I said, once I tried on the top, I didn't like it. So what I've done is I basically cut it open and sew the sides together to make a tube top. I don't know how to sew. I'm pathetic at sewing. So just do whatever you need to do, a back stitch, whatever works for you. And once you have your tube part, now it's time to adjust the sleeves and make them fit you. And what I'm doing is I'm cutting them open. And I'm gonna cut off the seams because obviously I don't need that since I'm resizing the sleeve. And I just measured it against my arm, on my arm, not against, come on, prepositions. I just measured it on my arm and then I cut off the excess fabric. And once that was done, I was left with this beautiful rectangular piece, and I just took the other sleeve and measured it against this one. That way they were the same size, and I just cut whatever needed to be cut, and we moved on to the next step. I just wanna be alone with you, with you. Watching this, I realize I cut very slowly, but it's because I like being so precise. So I take my sweet time. I'm never in a rush when doing these things. Moving on to the sleeves, I'm now going to sew them shut, obviously. And again, use whatever stitch works for you. As long as it holds the fabric together, you're good. Don't you worry about a thing. And now the only thing left is to attach the sleeves to the tube part of the top. Make sure that this is secure enough such that when you lift your arms, it doesn't come undone. I'm speaking from experience here. But yeah, after you've done that, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you'll be trying this. And yeah, hopefully I see you in my next video. Until then, bye!